Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017
Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.